guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really good Friday. Today we are going to be talking about drugstore or inexpensive skincare, stuff that is really low in price but is super good. I feel like drugstore skincare or like, you know, L'Oreal or Aloe or Neutrogena and stuff like that, that kind of stuff has been around for a really long time. And there are going to be some of that stuff in this video, but the majority is going to be like new and interesting brands that I have been trying out and I have been loving. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I actually just got back from work, so if my hair looks crazy, that's why. And also if my makeup looks weird or missing in places, that's why too. So I hope you guys are excited. Don't forget to subscribe before we jump into this video, and let's get started. Let's start off with stuff that I already talked about on my channel. So the first one is the e.l.f. Hydrating Water Essence. So this stuff I talked about in my last video in my January favorites. If you haven't seen that, I will link it down below. But this is really good to put on before moisturizer. It is super hydrating, but it's also super lightweight, like super lightweight. It's almost like you put water on your skin, like you can just see it looks like water, but it's super hydrating. I like to put this on my hands too because it's so hydrating that even for your hands that are super dry, it is great. It also smells good and it's just a really great product, and I really talked about it in my last video, so I'm not going to talk about it too much in this one. Next one is from Garnier. This is called the Skin Active Moisture Balm. It's the antioxidant super moisture moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. So I really like gel moisturizers or water-based moisturizers personally for me, even though I do have dry skin, but I just feel like it feels more hydrating and it goes on better. So this is what this one looks like. It's basically just like a normal gel moisturizer, and this one is just so super hydrating, and it's pretty much a dupe for the Moisture Balm by Clinique. It's kind of like a similar formula to that, so if you ever tried that, definitely try this one out because it is just as good. It's probably exactly the same. I really like this one for the summer because it's really moisturizing, but I still need more moisture during the winter. It's crazy. So the moisturizer I'm using currently is the Versed Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream. This stuff is heavy duty moisture. So if you're someone who's like really dry and you need that winter cream to get you through the winter months, it's almost over, I promise, this is the one for you. So this is like not a gel formula, this is like a cream. So I really like this for the winter. It's so good. I don't use this during the day, I use it at nighttime, but it's just a really thick formula. You can see it's like makes my hands kind of greasy. It's kind of like that, but not like super greasy where you're like, oh, I'm gonna break out. It's just a really nice formula to help you through those really dry winter months. So if you are dry, then I would definitely recommend this one. You can get Versed at Target, and I really love their brand. I have a bunch of products from them in this video because they're so good. You know, when you go from fall to winter months, you kind of like are like, wow, my skin is so dry. I need something so much more than my normal moisturizer. This was like that step up that really gives you that extra moisture. So I really love it, and I love that it has like, it tells you straight out it's rich moisture cream. So it is made for dryness and aging skin, and it's a moisturizer for serious hydration. So I really like that they literally spell it out for you. Everything is like made simple in Versed. I really like that. So okay, and then the next one is from Versed as well. Like I said, I have a bunch of stuff from them. I just really like the brand. I also did a dedicated video trying basically their entire lineup, so I'll link that down below as well. So this is the Versed Dew Point Moisture Gel Cream with green tea extract and aloe leaf juice. This stuff is great. I'm actually pretty much out of it, I think. This one is a little bit less thick or less hydrating than the Garnier one, but this one still has a really good amount of moisture. I like using this in the summer. It still gives you that like great amount of moisture without being so thick. So this one is just really nice. I'm putting so much moisturizer on my hand. I'm so happy because my hands are so dry. But this one's really nice, but it's definitely like a summer kind of moisturizer, summer day moisturizer. So this one is definitely for like day winter, day summer. That's how I like to kind of like mix it up, because this one is super moisturizing. This one is as well, but it is a lot less thick. In the summer, you don't want to have like a ton of stuff on your face. It's just like, ugh, sweaty, gross. And this one is just perfect for the day. It's really, really light. All right, so I do have a facial mist. I don't know if this is like counts as skincare, but this is the Ulta Beauty Smart Skincare Solutions Watermelon Facial Mist. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Glow Recipe Watermelon facial mist. So I ended up just getting it. It's actually a really, really nice, smells super good. It's super refreshing. So I like to do this at night. It just makes your skin feel really dewy and really hydrated. This has watermelon extract and aloe, refreshes and revives, dermatologist tested. It just smells super, super good. And the mister is really good. I probably just got spray all over you. It's just like a really nice, refreshing spray. So this is like, I don't know if it's skincare exactly, but it's really, really nice. I like it a lot. So the next product, I have two products from this brand. So this is the Inky List. You can get this at Sephora or at Sephora.com. That's where I got it. This is their caffeine eye serum. So this is use AM to PM on cleansed skin. Apply a small amount onto a finger and gently pat around the contour of the eye. Avoid the immediate eye area. Combine with preferable serums and follow with moisturizer. This stuff is really good for like a day under eye cream. That's what it looks like. It's lightweight. It's not going to give you any of that stingy feeling. It's just like really, really nice. It's moisturizing. I am a firm believer in eye cream, so you need to put an eye cream during the day and eye cream at night. So this is my eye cream during the day, and I wear it almost every single day. So I need to order it again because it's almost out. I need to try more of the Inky List because I only have two products that I bought from them, and they're really, really inexpensive. Like this is $10. And it is phenomenal. Like it's so good. It's not going to like get rid of any lines or anything like that. So this is more for like younger skin. It's really good for if you have like puffy eyes in the morning, stuff like that. It's just really good to hydrate your eye area, period. And this is just like an overall good hydrating eye cream. The next one from the Inky List is this hyaluronic acid serum. This stuff is so good. It is super, super tiny. You get one fluid ounce in here. I really like this stuff, but this one is basically just a way to get hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine. So it's like basically like water. It's very, very light, but it feels so good. Like it's water, but it's very, very like thick almost. Like you feel like you're putting something really, really nice on your skin. I like to use this again in between my face cream and any serums I want to do. So I basically use this as a serum. So I put it on before I put moisturizer on. So I will use this either day or night. It says to use it AM or PM on cleansed skin. Apply a pea-sized amount to face and neck. Follow with preferred serums and moisturizers. So I really, really like this. And let me know down in the comments if you want to see a dedicated video where I try all of Inky List skincare line, because I have been so intrigued. I really, really want to try it. I don't know if they sell this in stores, but I bought this online from Sephora, so definitely try it out. The next one is from Pixi. This one is the Fortify Firming Eye Patches, and this has 30 pairs of eye patches. I have been obsessed with this. It is so good. So this is what it looks like. So basically it's a bunch of eye patches in here. So you get a little spatula thingy, and when you open it up, there's like literally a bunch of them. I don't know if I'd go through it in a lifetime, but they're so nice. Back on my hand. So that is what they look like. They're really, really nice. The only thing I don't love about these is that the shape of them. I feel like this part is a little bit too like curved. I feel like it should be just a little bit rounded out, but that could just be my eyes. But the way that these feel, oh my god, I love that it comes with a little spatula, and I leave these on for like 10 minutes and you're good to go. I love doing this in the morning when I'm putting my makeup on, like putting these on, doing my eyes first and then going. Like it's so good. It's really easy to just buy like one of these things and you're set for a really long time. The other eye patches that I like are from Bliss. These are the holographic foil eye masks, and they're called I Got This Depuffs and Brightens. These are really nice. The only thing I think that these are better just for price wise is that this is $5 for one pair and this is $25 for 30 pairs. So it's just a little bit better to get the Pixi ones, but these ones are just as good. So if you ever see these ones, these are also awesome and I really, really like them. So they're also really pretty because they have like holographic stars on them, which is super cute. Okay, my last item is probably my favorite one out of everything here. It is from Versed. It is the Look Alive Hydrating Plumping Mask with rosehip seed oil and aloe leaf juice. This stuff is amazing. I really like plumping masks. Just because I feel like they give you the most hydration. I mean, a hydrating mask will obviously give you a ton of hydration, but there's something about this, like a plumping mask, that just makes your skin look so good. I don't know what it is, but this stuff is awesome. I actually just got it out of the fridge. It's so nice and cold. When you put it on, it feels so good. Oh, so good. So this one is really good. Again, you can get versed at Target. There's something about it that just makes your skin look like glass. Again, go check out the video where I tried versed whole line, and you will see that my skin literally looks like glass after that video. I know I said that that was the last item, but I totally lied. So this is not the last item either. So I want to talk about lips. I really love like lip products that really help with keeping your lips moisturized. So this is the CEO Bigelow. This is the menthol lip shine from Bath & Body Works. If you've seen this, you've probably seen this before buying candles or buying soap, but this stuff is awesome. I really like this stuff. It makes your lips feel so freaking smooth and pretty. It's just basically clear. It's a menthol one. They have different flavors, but this one is just like almost goes on like a lip oil. It's just so good. Smells good. I just really like this one. I don't know what it is about it. It just makes your lips feel so good. I've definitely tried so many of these like little, I don't know what you call them, like lip shines or lip gloss, or I don't know, I've tried a million of them, and this one is probably the best one I've ever tried that really gets rid of chapped lips, and it also gives you a really pretty shine, as you can see on my hand right now, without being like super goopy and gross. The next product I have is this one from TJ Maxx. This is the Aloe 99% Holika. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer so you can see. This was $6. This stuff is so good. I mean, anything that has to do with aloe, like I grew up with aloe plants all over my house, and my grandma used to like cut them open and like put them on our cuts and stuff. But this is what it looks like. It's basically just clear. But if you suffer from any redness, trust me, pick this up. It is awesome. I've given it to my dad who suffers from rosacea. I have rosacea as well. This stuff really gets rid of any of that redness. It's so good. Before I went to the dermatologist and figured out that I had rosacea and acne, I used this, and this was the only thing that helped. It's so good. I mean, I really recommend this brand, the one that looks like an aloe like leaf or spear. I don't know what you call it. But this one is 90% aloe. I've tried different ones, but this one is probably the best one. Go to TJ Maxx, they probably have it. I do recommend that if you're gonna go buy an aloe product like this, definitely buy one that is like has a squeezy tube, because I bought one that has like a tub, and that one is such a mess. It gets rid of any redness, and it really calms down your skin if you're having like a super bad breakout. That's why this is so good for sunburn, is because it soothes redness and it soothes your skin. So telling you, if you have any redness in your skin, you need to try aloe. It's so good. Definitely try this brand. If I can find it on Amazon or something like that, I will link it down below. So this one was a short but sweet video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if there's any drugstore or inexpensive skincare you want me to try, or you want to see on my channel. Definitely let me know. But I hope you guys have a really good one, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.